Yo, we are there for documenting my journey with videos. As usually, today I will tell you what I have done yesterday. So it's gonna be pretty simple and pretty fast. Yesterday I haven't done much. If you have watched the video of yesterday, I had a big problem with the application the day before, and it took me a while to fix this. So yesterday I was kind of like tired, so it was mainly a slow day. So what I've done yesterday is pretty simple. Just recorded the videos, so the video for YouTube, the videos for TikTok. I have also worked on my newsletter. So I don't remember if I already told you I have a newsletter that I have started 3 weeks ago. I'm mainly talking about like me creating habits, setting up routines. So it's kind of like personal development, like newsletter with a little bit of like what I'm doing. So it's probably a good complement to the video that I'm doing here. So if you're interested about the newsletter, I will also always put the link in the description. I'm gonna release it today, actually at the same time as this video. And yeah, I think that's pretty much what I've done yesterday. Like the newsletter took me a little bit more time as usually, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I have worked a little bit on the app, but yeah, I was feeling low yesterday. So yeah, there is days like this when you're like not necessarily feeling super good, and yeah, you cannot have like always like high days. Like you should have like high days but also like some low days, because yeah, if you have some heights, you have to like somehow like go down. Yesterday was a low day, but that's okay because I still have today, I still have this weekend, and I know that these days will be focused to like make the new version of Auro, and I will just like focus on this. Not a lot to say, but that's also cool sometimes to make like some small videos. I will make another video tomorrow that will be kind of a recap of my week, what I have done, what I have learned, what I have noticed, and all that stuff. It will wrap the first week of like documenting my journey every day on YouTube. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it, subscribe to the channel to not miss the next one, and I see you tomorrow. Peace.